Thank you so much, Olivia. I'm so super excited to participate, and thanks for inviting me. I'm one of the founders and CEO for Pyramid Analytics. We're, as Olivia mentioned, we're a company operating in the enterprise analytics space. We've been doing it for almost a decade, working primarily in the enterprise market, helping organizations through their digital transformation in the data era. What's super maybe interesting in where we stand today, oops, I hope you guys can see the slides. But again, what's super interesting and exciting in what's going on in the space today, in the digital transformation era, and COVID definitely accelerated that trend, is that companies are somewhat more exposed to all the areas of productionizing and leveraging their data assets and data investments. On the one side, you need to productionize, enrich, acquire, deliver, and assemble all of your data assets. And on the other hand, you need to collaborate on data, you want to explore it, you need to make decisions, and you want to have it on demand. And that's all of that needs to come somewhat managed. And that's what all companies, definitely in the upper mid-market and enterprise, are facing. And we're right in the midst of supporting our customers, helping them achieve a single solution for their digital transformation, specifically in data, around data assets. How to move from siloed approach where organizations, functions, and so on are leveraging certain part of their data assets to a singular standard solution across the company, cross-function, cross-department, multiple use cases, definitely lots of types of users, from the very novice to most advanced data scientists and citizen data scientists in the mix of that. So we're trying to serve as many users in the organization and also assure that we can support all of their use cases. The way we like to think about Pyramid Analytics is like the most rich data canvas that you can start building data-driven applications. Pyramid as a company is, I'm proud to say that I think we're growing very fast, very successful around hundreds of enterprise companies, enterprise customers. All of them are probably familiar brands that everybody recognizes. We're a VC-backed company backed by Sequoia. Viola Growth is an investor in the company, and JVP were also the investors behind ClickView, that is also in our space. And I think what they saw in Pyramid Analytics is the next era of analytics platforms. We have presence, global presence. R&D is in Israel, in Tel Aviv. We have go-to-market teams in the UK, in North America, in Europe, and also supporting DACH and EMEA. As I mentioned earlier, we are growing on all SaaS KPIs, and we became super strategic for all the data assets in the market, from maybe the more traditional data assets from the mega vendors like IBM and Oracle and Microsoft and SAP, to big data companies like Snowflake and Redshift, and through all the cloud vendors. We're also very much recognized by all the important analysts in the market, from Gartner. We're ranked actually #1 for visual self-service analytics, which is maybe the most important part when you decide to have a data strategy. People are very much keen around visualizing data, but also around our enterprise structure, our governance, our support and managed capabilities. We are tracked by all the important analysts in the industry. But maybe the most important part that we're super proud of is our customer satisfaction. We're a customer-centric company. About 50% of the features and functions that are being released to the market on an annual basis will come from our customers. We take super attention in customer success and making sure that there's no shelfware, there's no lack of support, and that's why our customer satisfaction rate is almost 100%. Nothing is maybe 100%, but close to 98%. We support over 1 million active users in production. Thank you very much, and good luck with the rest of the day.